Okay, so back for part 2 of coconut vending machine in Bangkok, Thailand. So what is this about? I don't know. I hope it's a good coconut. I would like to know why it costs 39 baht for this coconut versus the one level down, which was 35 baht. Only 4 baht difference. That's like 12 cents difference. But apparently this is like a VIP version of a coconut in a vending machine. Oh, and the song, this is the coconut song that I used to play for my kids in class because they went berserk over it all the time. They just love it. All right, so let's see here. Fresh coconut delivery, 100%. As everybody see, it even comes with, this is insane, it comes with a stainless steel spoon. Not a plastic spoon, this is like the real deal. Okay, so I've got the scissor. Okay, so open it. I don't understand how the water of the coconut doesn't like spill out everywhere. But anyway, and there's a little straw inside. It's like a real, this thing is real. This is real. And I guess this is the pow part. It's like burnt. All right, let's, oh wait, it's not completely popped. That's why it's not spilling out everywhere. Okay, so I guess I take the spoon and then like I pop it with the spoon. Okay. All right, okay. I guess for this whole entire thing you're gonna need a scissor. All right, so I've got the little straw spoon. All right, here we go. Please, Joy, don't make a mess. Oh yeah, it's like not that, whoa! It's not that hard, but it is gonna spill. Okay, so we're gonna, oh my God! It's getting everywhere. All right, get some tissue. I am drenched in coconut water. All right, so put that there. Oh my God! No, no, no! Oh, this is really messy. No! Wait, I can't get this open. Oh, I got it, okay. This is very messy. Or if anybody ever comes to Thailand and they try to open up a coconut from a vending machine, it's a little messy. All right. All right, ooh, okay, so there you go. Whoa, it's really full. Oh, wait, I gotta, wait, hold on, because you can't see it. Okay, so like, you see all that water? It's really full. Oh, and the meat is nice and tender. All right. Okay, look at this. All right. Yeah, okay, so it's very yummy. Super fresh, super fresh. A little bit sweet, but not too sweet. What else? I just can't believe how much water was in this thing. It was all the way to the top. When I poked the spoon in, it was spilling all over the place. Wow, I mean, I feel healthier just drinking this thing. Very nice, very nice. Good job, Thailand. Good job, coconut tree. All right, and I still can't get over the stainless steel spoon that came with it. Okay, so I guess you like, because you need it to be a stainless steel spoon in order to cut it. Okay. And you cut the meat from inside. Very, super yummy. It's like tender. Okay, now, mind you, this can get messy if you're not careful. Okay, and then you get, you know, fresh meat and the juice. Thumbs up for the vending machine. Although I still don't know what's the difference between, you know, smoked coconut at 39 baht versus the other coconut that's 35 baht. I mean, it just tastes like a regular coconut to me. I don't know, maybe I'll ask my aunt one day, but there really isn't that much of a difference. I mean, every coconut I've ever had tastes pretty much like this. But maybe the meat was more tender. But yeah, this was perfect.